Hello friend, welcome to my channel Take a Dialogue. Do you know Google may train the AIs by using your Gmail, but you never ever click on yes button. Your personal email, invoice, receipts and important documents, all what we have in your inbox. Google's smart feature and AI is used to improve themselves. And the worst part, for many people, this was turned on by default. In this video, I will show you two hidden settings of Gmail. You must turn this off now to secure your privacy. Follow me on screen step by step. It takes less than 2 minutes. Let's go to screen and follow me. Setting 1. First in first, you have to open your Gmail and click on settings. Then you have to click on see all settings. You have to scroll down and find smart feature. The feature is turned on. If you see, when you turn on this setting on, you agree to get Gmail, chat and Meet use your content and activity in these products to provide smart features and personalize your experience. So untick this check mark and then you have to click on turn off and reload. Let's do this. Then you have to go again settings and then click on see all settings. Then you have to find Google Workspace Smart feature. Scroll down. Here you will see Google Workspace Smart feature. Then you have to click on Manage Workspace Smart feature setting. Watch this step, and this is very important because most of the people overlook these settings. Now we are going to click on this. If you see here the smart feature in Google Workspace, you can see when you turn on these settings on, you agree to get Google Workspace use your workspace content and activity to personalize your experience across workspace. Workspace include apps for business and schools such as Gmail, Chat, Meet, Drive and more. And another feature is Google features in other Google products. If you see here, when you turn on this settings on, you agree to get Google use your workspace content and activity to personalize your experience in other Google products. Smart features included Maps, Wallets, Google Assistants, and Gemini apps. So you have to turn this off immediately. Now I'm going to turn this off. Click on the tick button and it will off, and I'm also clicking here to turn this off. Now you have to click on save button. That's it. From now, after doing these two action, the AI and the smart feature cannot scan your personal email and important documents in your Gmail, and your Gmail is secure. You must follow your personal email, your office Gmail and other Gmail account to secure your Gmails. You must share this video to your friends and family to secure their Gmail account. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel Take a Dialogue. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.